Alright, so what's going on, guys? Maybe wondering why we're in the basement of our house. Two floor jacks, some jack stands. The good old washer decided to stop spinning. We think the belt maybe came off, or we're not too sure. We need to look underneath it. Can't pull it out, lift it up all the way because the hoses are attached to the pipes there, and the valves are completely seized. And I'm afraid if I force them to close, they're just going to start leaking, and I don't want to deal with that. And then we found this underneath it too. I have no idea what that is. Just destroyed. So yeah, you can see it's nice and rusty, just like all of our other vehicles. Either way, well, we see what we're gonna do with this. See if it works. We have an idea to jack it up and go underneath it with the creeper. See if we can find out what the problem is.
I got the shivers whenever you go out of line, yeah. I feel it creeping down my spine, yeah. Wanna be alone again.
What do you see down there, Mr. Michael?
I see the gearbox leaking a pretty decent amount of oil. A lot of rubber shavings. Doesn't look like there's a belt on here at all. Oh, there goes my phone. Yeah, I don't really see too much. It's literally just a motor and a gearbox.
It's happening.
Our freight jacksons are finally failing under a washer.
Hey.
Yep, that's why the motor doesn't spin anymore.
What?
You know what that rubber piece was?
What?
The coupling between the motor and the gearbox. And the plastic is destroyed too.
Oh yeah, that's
Well, she ain't working anymore. Yeah, that's
kind of a problem.
Yep, that's where all the rubber shavings are too. Oh yeah.
So we definitely have to get Deborah
Yep.
a call, our landlady, and
Well, at least we found the problem.
yeah.
And now we know that we're not going to fix it because it is actually broken. Alright, well, that solves my curiosity for the day.